Good morning, students. Class 8 English Reader. Once again, today I have taken up the book Honeydew, where we will read chapter 4. Name of the chapter? Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Now, the word lapse we can say as a temporary failure of memory. Before you read, do you have a good memory? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? Forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot. Now, the phrase in a tight spot means difficult situation. When you forget something, it puts you in a difficult situation. But forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. In the story, Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy because he cannot recollect. That means he's not able to remember his stay at Ranchi. He has never been to Ranchi, he insists. He is very much confident of the fact that he has never been to Ranchi. Though there are many witnesses to the contrary. What is the suspense all about? Let us read the first phase of the story today and know. Every Monday on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kali Charan's in New Market to buy books. That means there is a shop in New Market and it is named as Kali Charan's shop where he has to buy some books. Crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. He needs at least 5 books to read for the whole week. As he lived alone, was not a good mixer, had few friends and didn't like spending time in idle chat. Now the word idle chat means unnecessary routine conversation, or we can say a simple gossip. Today at Kali Charan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. उन्हें ऐसा फील हुआ जैसे कोई उन्हें बहुत क्लोजली ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है वहीं खड़े होकर. He turned round and found himself looking at a round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into a smile. Meek-looking means looking humble and quiet, and as Bipin Babu saw him, he smiled at him. I don't suppose you recognize me. Have we met before? Asked Bipin Babu. The man looked greatly surprised. We met every day for a whole week. Now the man is saying he's very surprised at why Bipin Babu has asked such a question. He's saying we met every day for a whole week. I arranged for a car to take you to the Hudru Falls. Hudru Falls are in Jharkhand, in the region of Jharkhand. Now here you can see Bipin Babu standing in the bookshop looking towards the man who is trying to convince him that he knows him very well. In 1958 in Ranchi, my name is Parimal Ghosh. Ranchi? Now, there is a strange query in his mind. Now, Bipin Babu realized that it was not he, but the man who was making a mistake. Bipin Babu is very sure here that he is not making any kind of mistake. It is the man who is making the mistake to recognize him. As according to Bipin Babu, he had never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times. That means it was that many times he thought of going to Ranchi, but he could never make it. He smiled and said, Do you know who I am? The man raised his eyebrows, bit his tongue and said, Do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? Now, according to this line, we can see and understand that how much confident this man is that he is knowing Bipin Babu, and he is saying that how come you're asking this question to me? Who doesn't know you? That means Bipin Babu. Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, Still you are making a mistake. One often does. I have never been to Ranchi. The man now laughed aloud. What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Hudru. यानी जब वो हुड्रू फॉल गए थे as a visit or maybe to freak around, he had a fall and got a cut in his right knee. I brought you iodine, that means the medicine. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Netarhat. Now Netarhat is a town again in Jharkhand. the next day, but you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. Now, this man is trying to recall this incident so that he may remember that he was in Ranchi and he has met this fellow. Can't you recall anything? Someone else you know who also in Ranchi at the time? Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee, you stayed in a bungalow. You said you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by a bawarchi. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing, remember? I'll tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. Am I right or not? Bipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes still on the books. Which month in 58 are you talking about? The man said October. No, sir, said Bipin Babu. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. You are making a mistake. Good day. But the man didn't go, nor did he stop talking. Very strange. One evening I had tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family. You said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. Your only brother had died insane. And the word insane means free of mental illness, which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. Now, there are so many incidents that man is trying to recall the memories of Bipin Babu, but he is not even remembering a single one. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. That means completely surprised. So, this is the first way we have read today, and we have to complete the first three questions of the comprehension check, as I'll share the solutions with you. You read the content till what we have read, and if you have any queries regarding the explanation, let me know in the feedback in our WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you, class.